Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make the mobile or Wi-Fi internet connection unable to turn off in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone smartphone. So firstly let me just show you, let me just turn on my cellular data connection, that is the internet connection. So you can see here it's showing. So if I press the lock button and if I swipe down from the top, now if I tap on the cellular data, I can turn off, right? So in order to make the mobile or Wi-Fi internet connection unable to turn off, what you need to do is just open the settings and just scroll down below. And now you will see here one option, Face ID and passcode. Just tap on it. Now you'll see here tons of option, right? Just swipe down. Now here you can see an option control center, right? So just disable this option. Now you can minimize it. And now let me press the lock button again and let me try to unlock. And now let me try to swipe. So you can see here the control center has been disabled. So now unless and until I know the passcode or I use the Face ID, I'll not be able to open the control center and I'll not be able to disable the internet connections also. So in this way you can make the mobile or Wi-Fi internet connections unable to turn off in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.